Hey guys, today we're gonna learn if, elif, and else statement. So what is an if statement? An if statement is written by using the if keyword. So first let's take two variables. A equals 12 and B equals 12 equals 12. So now let's write that if statement. So if A is greater than B, print A is greater than B. So now we wrote the if statement. See, now if we execute it, there's nothing except this thing. So now if we change the value of the A, like 13, now if we run it, see, now it printed A is greater than B, because actually A is greater than B because A's value is 13 and B's value is only 12. Now let me keep it back to 12 over there. Now let's go to elif. Elif is used for if the if statement doesn't work, then try this condition. So we should write elif A less than B, print if A is less than B, we have to make it print A is less than B. So now if the condition is true over there that A is less than B, then it will print A is less than B on the console over there. So let me change it here. So into 11. Now it will print A is less than B on the console. See, now right here it printed A is less than B. So now let's put the else statement. So else statement is used for if both of these statements don't work, it's used for another statement. Like if we say else and it's not greater than or less than, what are they? They're equal. So now we just have to put a colon there and then say print A and B are equal. So now we're fully finished our if, elif, and else statement. If we execute it, it will still print A is less than B because here A is less than B because 11 is less than 12. So now let me change it back to 12. And now it will print A and B are equal. See, because A and B are equal, it printed there A and B are equal. See here, 12 and 12, they're equal. Hope you learned if, elif, and else statements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.